the trial against four men charged with the murder of former ANC Youth League Secretary General Sindiso Magaqa is set to begin in the Pietermaritzburg High Court this morning. The accused are Sbonelo Myeza, Mbulelo Mpofana, Mlungisi Ncalane and Sibusiso Ncengwa. Magaqa was shot at uMzimkhulu in July 2017. He died 2 months later in hospital. At the time of his death, Magaqa was a councillor at the Mzimkhulu local municipality. SABC News reporter Thulani Msimang joins us now live for more. Very good morning to you, Thulani. This is a case of much interest. What's happening today? What's the latest where you are?
Yes, good morning, Desiree. We are at the Pietermaritzburg High Court, as you've alluded, for the resumption of the trial of the former ANC Youth League Deputy Secretary General Sindiso Magaqa. The trial is expected to begin today, where the four accused are expected to plead today. Today it's a packed court with many people showing interest. We've also seen that there's tight security around here. We are expecting the court proceedings to get underway shortly after 10 o'clock this morning. But we have seen as well the family members and the supporters who come. People are curious to follow proceedings here in court in Pietermaritzburg. One of the people that I'm going to speak to is a member of the family, the Magaqa family, who's just going to tell us maybe what they expect today when the proceedings resume. Thank you very much for joining us. Can you just tell me your name first and surname, and tell me what you expect today to happen?
My name is Thulani Magaqa, a family spokesperson. It is after 5 years Sindiso Magaqa was shot dead. Today is the day of the case, of the trial. As a family, we are hoping that it is going to be finished soon, just because it has long been delayed. Another thing, the family was very much upset when this case was postponed in May last year to 18th of July this year, for a year. But now, just because the case is going to start today, we are hoping that we are going to get the reasons why these people killed Sindiso and who were the mastermind of this.
And just, I'm trying to find out, how has the family been holding up? You're saying that it has dragged on for the past 5 years, but as a family, this must be hard for you.
The family has been, it was difficult for the family, more especially for Sindiso's mother. For the first time, she is here in court today, for the first time. She has never attended the case, either at Mzimkhulu or at Bramsgate and here in Pietermaritzburg. She is very much ill, just because whenever this case starts, it reminds her of the death of her son. But today is around, hoping that maybe the bitterness might come out.
And lastly, I think the family wants justice to be done for Sindiso Magaqa.
We would like these gentlemen to rot in jail, but not them only. As I'm saying, they are the people who are behind this, who are not known. Why I'm saying this is because these four gentlemen have got counsel, and a well-known counsel, which means that as they are not working, there is a money that comes from somewhere to fund them in order to. Yes.
No, thank you very much. I hope you get what you want in court. There you have it. We will be going inside court shortly. The court is expected to resume at 10 o'clock here in Pietermaritzburg. Families, security as well as tight, and supporters are here as well. But we will keep you posted, bring you coverage of this matter that is happening here today. But from Pietermaritzburg High Court, it's back to you in the studio for now.
Thulani, while we have you and you have Lwazi there, I'm just wondering if the family has a message to the Duarte family on the passing of Jesse Duarte.
Yes, certainly. I'm going to try and ask you that, convey that message. Mfowethu, can you just tell us, yesterday we saw the passing of the ANC Deputy Secretary General of the ANC, Jesse Duarte. Does the family have any message with regard to that in terms of condolences?
The ANC has lost a leader. It has lost a leader. Mama Duarte was a very strong person in the ANC. If you can check yesterday, everybody was grieving because of the passing away of Mama. The family passes condolences to the Duarte family.
Thank you very much for those kind words. There you have it, the family joining the country to say that they are passing their condolences to the Deputy Secretary General of the ANC who passed on yesterday. As I said earlier on, we will continue to bring you coverage of this matter that is expected to start at 10 o'clock here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. But for now, again, I take you back to the studio in Johannesburg.
Ncalane, thank you so much.